Want to check in with Storm Tracker meteorologist Carson Meredith. Is it warming up any out there? It was actually quite chillier than I think I was expecting.
Yeah, it's still cool this morning, and really it's going to stay cool all day, at least cooler compared to what we've had so far the last couple of days. On the Way 31 Skycam network, part of the reason why we're staying cool is because of that cloud cover. It rolled in last night. It's that thin, wispy cloud cover, but it's going to be stubborn to get out of here this morning. So that's why we're all in the low 50s right now. Compared to this time on Monday, yeah, we're all about 10 to 15 degrees colder. Look at Scottsboro and Fort Payne getting closer to 20 degrees colder this morning. So you definitely need those jackets heading out the door, and I would suggest keeping those jackets with you all day. On the early warning radar network, it is 99.9% dry. The lone exception, got a couple of tiny sprinkles developing in Wayne and Lawrence County, Tennessee. That will be lifting northeast as the day goes on. We are all going to stay dry here in Alabama. High temperatures climbing into the mid-60s this afternoon. It's going to take a while for those temperatures to climb because of that cloud cover, and I expect those clouds to really start breaking up once we get past the noon hour today. All in all, it's shaping up to be a pretty pleasant end to the month of March, even if it is a little cool over the next couple of days. 65 this afternoon, like we mentioned, 66 tomorrow. Then we go back into the 70s Thursday, Friday, and to kick off April on Saturday. But as we get towards Friday and Saturday, unfortunately, another cold front moves in. And we all know what that means this time of year. The chance for strong storms will be back in the forecast. I'll talk about that next system in a moment, but if you need to get the car washed over the next few days, I know I do. I got a lot of pollen stuck on my car. No issues for the next 3 days. Plenty of sunshine to go around, even though it's a little on the cool side for today and tomorrow in particular. Here's future radar. 3 o'clock today, full sunshine in the Shoals and southern Tennessee. Maybe some cloud cover still with us east of I-65, but it'll be that broken cloud cover, if you will. We'll still have a mix of sun and clouds here in Huntsville over northeast Alabama. Highs in the mid-60s. Clear skies overnight tonight. That means temperatures will drop very quickly. We're in the 40s by midnight tonight, and when you wake up Wednesday morning, we are all in the upper 30s. I'm not expecting freezing temperatures tomorrow morning, but there could be some patchy frost, especially in Jackson and DeKalb County and also in our Tennessee tier. It's not going to be widespread, just something to keep in mind. If you do have any sensitive plants or vegetation, might want to take some precautions just to be on the safe side. Crystal clear blue skies throughout the day on Wednesday, high temperatures in the mid-60s once again. We start to warm things up Thursday and Friday ahead of our next weather maker that brings that threat for strong storms once again. Timing is virtually identical to what we saw last Friday night. However, this particular system does not appear to be as potent as what we saw last Friday night. That, of course, can still change over the next few days. We're going to see storms Friday night, early Saturday morning. The question is just how severe will they be? Stay with us on all of our platforms, online at waytv.com, and on the Way 31 Storm Tracker weather app as we keep a close eye on that next cold front. Until then, it's nice and quiet with plenty of sunshine. 7-day forecast stays warm through early next week as we go back into the 70s.